A judge in New Mexico has dismissed the involuntary manslaughter charges against actor Alec Baldwin after finding the state withheld evidence from the defence. The ruling brought a sudden and dramatic end to the proceedings only 3 days into the trial. In 2021, Baldwin fatally shot cinematographer Halyna Hutchins on set with a gun that was supposed to be loaded with blanks. Prosecutors had tried to argue the actor had increased responsibilities as the film's producer. All right, well, let's cross over to Los Angeles now, where entertainment journalist KJ Matthews is standing by for us. KJ, great to see you again. What a dramatic turn of events, to say the least. Why did the judge make this decision?
Yeah, everybody was startled. I think we all thought that this trial would end probably a week from Friday, which would be next week. But the judge felt that she had no other course of action but to dismiss this case against Alec Baldwin. And mainly it boiled down to evidence. Evidence that was not disclosed to Alec Baldwin's attorneys before this case came about. Early on Friday morning, Alec Baldwin's attorneys filed a motion to have the case dismissed. And they said it was based solely on the fact that they discovered that there was evidence, ammunition that was presented to the prosecutors after the armorer, Hannah Gutierrez-Reed, had been convicted. Someone brought in ammunition from the set of Rust and presented it to the prosecutors after she was convicted. That was supposed to go into a file labeled Rust and a case number attached to it. That did not happen because the prosecutors, according to them, declared that this ammunition wasn't important. It didn't come from the same batch that was used that killed, unfortunately, Halyna Hutchins. And so they just decided not to file it under the case number. And that was wrong. According to the judge, they said that anything that was presented from the Rust set should have been logged in under the Rust case number and presented to all of the defense attorneys. And because they failed to do that, the judge felt that they had no other choice but to dismiss this case because it would have been prejudice against Alec Baldwin.
Now, KJ, the tragedy that led to this legal case has sparked a wider conversation about the use of weapons in film and TV by actors. Are we seeing any changes as a result of this?
You know, no legal standing changes. So you're not seeing policies or rules or requirements on sets with guns being rewritten. However, what we're hearing in Hollywood is that you're seeing a lot of films or TV series perhaps not use real guns, just use CG or use props so that they don't even have that problem whatsoever, which means that they're probably using less armorers rather than take the chance of having a real gun that's supposed to be supplied with dummies. They just are choosing not to have real guns on the set at all, thereby eliminating the possibility of what happened on the Rust set back in October 2021.
Thanks, KJ. Certainly a tragedy what happened. KJ Matthews joining us from Los Angeles tonight. Thanks.
Thank you.